Welcome to District 32 Radio. I'm Jackie Campbell. Now, we've all got pain in our lives, running businesses, running around after children, doing all sorts of things which are just part of life. I have met a man today who has got the solution to all things. Darren Wedge, Oscar Wellness, with his magic blue light machine. Welcome.
Thank you very much, Jackie. Great to be here.
Absolutely right. So I'm sure there's more to this little magic blue light than actually a magic blue light. So how does it work?
Very good question. So it's actually based on sound scientific evidence that's been used in the medical field for over 60 years to treat everything from fractured bones right through to chronic pain and everyday aches and pains that you get.
Okay. So don't I have like Panadol or Disprin or some other drug or pill I can take for that? Isn't that quicker and easier?
It can be quicker, but you're still putting a foreign object, a pill or a drug into your mouth. There is an opioid crisis out there. In America, there are over 143 people dying a day from opioid overuse.
Really?
In Australia. Yeah, that's
incredible.
Correct. It is amazing. Now, that's a plane crash a day. People are hooked on drugs that, at the end of the day, are not doing the job, and their pain's turning from everyday pain to chronic pain.
Okay. So how does the Oscar sort that? How does that better than taking a Panadol and calling a doctor in the morning?
Well, the beauty about the Oscar is it is a pain-free device. It is totally portable. Other than in water, you can use it anywhere. You can use it whilst you're flying, whilst you're sleeping, whilst you're working, or just whilst you're sitting down.
Okay, right. So it's not like a security risk where please turn off your electronic devices as you fly across the countryside?
No, definitely not. I've used it been through the TSA and other security systems quite easily around the world with it. I use it on the plane, ensuring that I don't get DVT while I'm flying.
Okay. So how does it actually work? I mean, obviously, don't give us away all your secrets because we'd hate to have you suddenly, duplicated the world over. But I've got one, and it makes an incredible difference to my life and my husband's life. I was blown away, the eternal skeptic. All we did was charge it up, push a button, and then it goes beep, 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 23 minutes? Am I getting that right? Or 20 minutes later?
About 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes later. It seems so much quicker when you've got good therapy. Okay, so what is it actually doing?
So what it's actually doing, it's not a pain blocker. It's actually going to the cellular level and, in a simple term, massaging the cells.
Right.
So squeezing the toxins out, opening the cell and allowing the good nutrients in, and putting the cell in its best position to repair itself.
Right. So if you're effectively massaging the cell, opening it, taking all the gooblies out, and then putting them back, and with good stuff, what happens to the stuff you're taking out of the cells? Do you get a toxic effect to this? Does it overload your body with stuff that it needs to cope with? What happens then?
Great question. No, not at all. There are absolutely no side effects and no proven side effects from PMF and the use of it for 65 years. What it's actually doing, you need to drink water, and that water will flush those toxins out of your body like they normally would if your cells were operating to their optimum.
Okay, so is that similar to when you exercise and you break down fat cells and you release them into your body? That same sort of kind of mechanism?
It's similar to that. The beauty about what this is if you think about it, it's actually having a 30-minute exercise schedule around that injured area without doing anything.
Do they come in suits?
No, they do. There are some that come in blankets and other devices, but no, not a suit at the moment.
So we couldn't wear a suit under our clothes and exercise and glow beautifully blue?
No, but you could probably put a couple of them on your body. They work on a 22-inch radius.
Right.
They don't actually have to be on the skin. They just have to be near that area. So you could have one on the top part of your body and one on the bottom part of your body working on the whole body.
Okay, so what I'm understanding so far with the Oscar is it's non-invasive. You don't have to put drugs into your body. You can use it anywhere. It doesn't have side effects, and it helps relieve your pain. Have I got that?
That's spot on.
I told you it was a magic blue light.
Not magic. You need to use it and continually use it. Okay. It will also help with the overall well-being of your health whilst you use it on an ongoing basis.
Right. So if it doesn't actually have to touch my skin, it needs to be near me, does that mean I could take it to bed?
Yes, definitely. Definitely. We all use it in bed because of the blue flashing light. It does look like a spaceship.
Nice.
Yeah, exactly. So either put it in a black sock to dim that light or put it under your pillow.
Okay. Right. So what are the drawbacks of using the Oscar?
Absolutely none.
Absolutely none.
Absolutely.
So, can I use it if I'm old?
You can use it if you're old. You can use it if you're young. You can use it if you've got a variety of different chronic pains that at the end of the day there has been no solutions to. CRPS, fibromyalgia, we get a lot of good results from people using it for those ailments.
And why is that?
Why is that? The science has been around for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
We've miniaturised that device. Most of those devices put in a signal inwards. Ours is outwards from the device,
Okay.
so that's a 22-inch radius. And in addition to that, most devices have one signal for one purpose. We have a 4-signal device over a 30-minute period
Mm-hmm.
with sequential processing that gives the best result.
Okay. So, batteries?
It is a rechargeable battery, similar to the battery you get in your mobile phone. You use a USB cord and you can use the wall plug that you use for your mobile phone.
Cool. So, let me get this right. Non-invasive solution, technology which is true, tried and proven. I don't have to do it. It doesn't have to be in contact with me. I don't have to have any pills. I can use it multiple times a day to treat an area. No side effects. That sounds like it's a really expensive investment.
PMF devices are expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Our whole philosophy was to get it to the masses. So we have it at a very competitive price. Our normal price is $3.99 US.
Yep.
Because we do manufacture in the US. But for the purpose of this, if you use the code D32,
Right.
you'll get a $50 US discount off of that.
Okay, $50. That's pretty cool. So that's what, a good blob off the top. Surely this time of year, how long is it going to take to get me? Am I looking at sort of Easter delivery time, or is it going to get here in time for Christmas?
It will get here in time for Christmas. As long as you give it a week prior to Christmas, we will get it to you before Christmas.
That sounds pretty like an excellent solution. So, assuming that while our listeners are out there, they've got pain, they want to deal with it non-invasively. I know this works. It's not often I endorse a product, but this one really works. It's made such a difference to us. What is the best way for the guys to get hold of you?
The best way is our website, which is Oska Wellness, OSKA wellness.com.
Yep.
Or they can call myself, Darren Wedge, on 0414 230 022.
Fantastic. So, obviously, if you fit into that category, guys, absolutely get hold of Darren from Oska Wellness, a proud sponsor of the stations here. And from here, they'll arrive in time for Christmas. We'll get it all sorted. It is the best gift you can possibly give someone, believe me. Having given it to my husband, it has made a huge difference. So, Darren, thank you. And I would highly encourage everybody to take it up. And if not, they can certainly get hold of you for a chat. Is that possible?
That is correct.
They can
Yeah,
give you
more than
any-
happy to have a chat, Jackie.
Absolutely. Great. Thank you so much for your time. And I look forward to ongoing future developments for Oska and its impact on the world.
Thank you very much. Great to be here.
No problems.